welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious avocado and egg salad that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start here first preparing our boiled eggs. I have water already nice and hot boiling. I am going to add my eggs into this hot water. This is the best part. Don't add your eggs to cold water. They're going to take longer to cook. And when you do it this way, the skin is going to peel off so easily. I'm going to cook them for about 15 minutes, just like that, and then I'm going to put them aside so they start cooling down. And here, let me show you my organic avocado. I have a tree, and look how large they are. These are jumbo avocados. The skin is really thin. The texture in the inside of the avocado, it's so creamy. The flavor just amazing. And of course, I am blessed having this amazing tree. All year I have avocados. It's a very old tree. And of course, this is how I'm going to slice away the avocado and then cubing it and then slowly taking all the pulp out. Let me tell you, this avocado egg salad comes out delicious every time, but yet it's not spicy at all. And you could enjoy it with any kind of meats. Look at this. Once you already slice them and cube them, then you're ready to put them in a bowl. Make sure that you add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to add the juice of one lemon only. I want to make sure that the avocado doesn't brown. So I'm going to get all the pulp out of the 2 extra large avocados. Let me tell you, this avocado egg salad really comes out so delicious with very few ingredients, but yet all these ingredients really gives this salad a delicious flavor. Well, once you have all the avocado in here, you're going to add 1 lemon juice. The juice of 1 lemon. You're going to add it so your avocado doesn't get brown. That part is important because if it stays just like this for just about 5 minutes, it starts browning, and that's exactly what you don't want. You really want to enjoy this avocado egg salad, and it's going to last in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days without browning. But if you have a family of 5, remember, this is going to be gone the same day. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And remember that the salt is to taste. So once you incorporate the lemon juice, the spices, leave it, put it aside, and then continue. I am going to continue with half a onion, a white onion. I'm going to slice, I'm going to cube, and I'm going to dice really small. I want this to really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. Once you have your onion diced, I'm going to add it directly into the avocado. I'm going to continue with the coriander, the cilantro. I know that there's a lot of people that don't like the flavor of the cilantro. I personally love the flavor of the cilantro. I'm going to dice it really good and incorporate it into the avocado plate. And I'm going to add 2 jalapenos. The jalapenos, they're never spicy, but I always remove the seeds and the vein just in case. I'm going to slice it, and then I'm going to cut it in small little pieces. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The eggs came to room temperature, and this is the best part. Taking the skin off the eggs. Look how easy they peel off. Remember to always, when you do hard boiled eggs, always have your water boiling before you add them. Once they're all nice and peeled, then I'm ready to slice through the center and then cube the egg. Look at this. With this salad, you're really going to see the little pieces of the egg and the avocado. This is so delicious and so refreshing. For this summer, I love making it every summer, and even during the year, I love making it because it's so high in protein, but yet it has so many benefits. Healthy, delicious, and of course homemade. When you make this with love, everything comes out perfect. You could enjoy it with a tostada, or you could enjoy it with grilled chicken, carne asada. You decide, but enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. Well, I'm going to continue slicing and cubing away, and then I'm going to show you when I'm adding it to the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. I'm going to show it to you very close so you could see all those amazing colors and you could see how beautiful this looks. It's a healthy salad, high protein, with very few ingredients that I know you guys are going to love. And now the best part is incorporating everything, getting everything incorporated. Remember, we just added the juice of one lemon. Of course, you could use more if you want, but I really just add the lemon to give the avocado that special taste so it doesn't brown and it's really delicious. You don't need more than the juice of one lemon. You don't want this to have a lot of liquid. You want to enjoy it just like that. And now that I have it like this, I am ready to enjoy it. But before I do, let me taste it and see if it needs a little more salt. It is amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready to put it in this amazing plate. Add a little more of the egg, hard-boiled egg for the decoration. And of course, I'm not forgetting to add everything bagel spice. Look at this. I am going to top it off with everything with bagel spice. This really gives it such a delicious and amazing flavor. I'm going to cover it just a little bit on the top, sprinkle a little bit. Enjoy all this amazing avocado egg salad. And I am ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy it. If you like and love, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this avocado and egg salad. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, this avocado salad goes with anything. Grilled chicken, grilled beef, carne asada, you decide. But make it and enjoy it for this summer. Excuse me. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing avocado and egg salad. It came out perfect for this weather. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.